everything grows. It's just the way nature is. So when we speak, when we think, we're always planting seeds. Whether we're aware of it or not, we are planting seeds. So be mindful. What seeds are you planting? Are they seeds of fear, seeds of worry, seeds of anger? Because these seeds are not going to grow into what we would like them to grow into. We all want seeds of love, seeds of compassion, seeds of kindness, seeds of gratitude, seeds of appreciation, seeds of everything that is beautiful and wonderful that we want done to us. We sow those seeds so that we can offer from our own seed what grows, and we can offer it to everybody around